Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to receive notifications on Robinhood app. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to enable notifications, and what you want to do here is to open the Robinhood app on your mobile device, and then you want to tap accounts in the bottom navigation bar, and then select setting from the account menu and enable notifications by toggling the switch. Now the second step is to customize notification preferences. What you want to do is to select the type of notification that you want to receive. Could be price movements, news, dividend payments, or it could be trading notifications. Now once you're done with that, just choose how often that you want to receive these notifications. That could be in real time, daily, or weekly. And the third step is to set up custom notifications. You can set up custom price alerts for specific stocks or ETFs. You could also set news alerts where you're going to receive news alerts for your holdings or watched stocks. You could also get notified when dividend payments are made by setting up dividend alerts. Now the fourth step is to manage notification settings. You can access notification settings from the accounts menu, and then you can make changes to your notification preferences as needed. You could also temporarily disable notifications if you want to do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to receive notifications on the Robinhood app. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.